Alright guys, so I'm going to enter this right now because it's hitting the 0.786, or sorry, 0.618 Fibonacci level right now. I just woke up, it's about noon, and I'm going to enter for, I can play up to like a lot, like $2,700, but I'm going to only enter right now with 100, 1,100 at first, okay? Okay, let's see if it's just gonna push through it. I don't know if it's the right time to enter yet because the wall in the bottom left looks pretty big right now. I just woke up like really quickly just to kind of get this get the trade in right now. Oh, it actually did go through. Wicked. Okay, wicked. That's awesome. Okay, I might even buy another 50 right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it because it's at the 76 Fibonacci level, right? It's very significant in my opinion. Okay, I'm just gonna go to 50. I'm just gonna market execute. I don't mind at all. Excuse me. There we go, another 50 right out of the way, off the hop. Hey everybody, how's it going today? Just got up a little bit late today. It's about noon. Let's go down our watch list today and see what we're gonna be doing. And let's do our morning or afternoon market scan. So right now I'm looking at BTC, Link, ADA, Tezo, and VeChain. And then we're going to look for other percentage changes that we might be able to trade today. XLM looks somewhat pretty decent, so we're going to add that to our watch list right here. Let's just check out the chart to see how well this is doing thus far. So we're just going to go take a look at, for example, the 4-hour RSI to get a quick scan right now. It's getting pretty low at the 48 region, slowly finding support. We actually missed our short opportunity already. Let's see if there's a long opportunity that's coming up. Maybe, but probably not. All right, so let's just keep going down the chart really quickly as well here. We're taking a look at Link. That's probably the best one in my opinion. It's right now, Link is reaching a 786 Fibonacci level, or sorry, a 618 Fibonacci level. So that's something that you guys might want to put on your radar right now, and they might possibly be a short opportunity because we did hit 618 Fibonacci level down over here as well for this particular wave, and we actually might be finishing up our 5th sub wave going to the upside. So if you take a look right here, I'm just about to show you. See this region right here, we ended up hitting 618 Fibonacci level as well on both ways, coming to the downside where we hit about $6.98. That means that on the upside right now, we're also hitting that exact price range right now. So what Mama Will's gonna do is she's gonna go into Binance right now, and we're probably gonna end up just shorting this a little bit more right over here. Let's go to margin account. I'm already in it for about 200 coins. Let's just market execute this for another 50. Just adding just a tiny bit at a time right now. Okay, nothing too much. Go another 50. Okay, so now I'm in for 250 coins. Not so bad right now. Okay, so I think I'm in it for about 2 grand. Just wanted to show you guys right in front of you. So let's keep going down the list right here and seeing what else is going on. Tezo ends up following Chainlink quite often. Okay, so now Tezo was very volatile. It ended up moving to the upside 16% altogether, or sorry, it's coming to the downside 16%, which was pretty big in my opinion. Let's go to my watch list. I should have it on here now. Nope, not quite yet. Oh jeez, I think I'm coming down with a cold. XTZ USDT. Excuse me there. Okay, so yesterday it ended up moving down a fairly large amount. I think it was 16% it ended up moving down. That means that it's going to the upside obviously now, because it's going to always find retracement whenever there was that much volatility. That's right, 16% yesterday. So then we climb and claw our way all the way back up right now and we could be reaching some sort of resistance as well because we are hitting a Fibonacci level. That means that, yep, exactly like I said, right, guys? That Tezos seems to follow in the footsteps of Chainlink quite often. That's his reputation from what I've heard and from what I've seen personally. If you take a look at Tesla right now, we claw our way back up and we hit exactly the I keep saying 786 because the price of Chainlink is $7.88 or 86 cents is where I was interested in the short. So right here, we're at the 618 Fibonacci level. If you also take a look at Chainlink here as well, you know, look at that. We're now at 781. So I've been making all the right choices thus far. And I think that we're going to get some massive opportunity here short. And I'm very interested in that. In fact, this is my reasoning right now for Link. Yeah, I'm still on it, guys, because it had the biggest percentage gain. So that means I'm going to play every single possible bounce that I possibly freaking can. So this is my personal opinion of how I'm going to be viewing Link for the next few days. I'm always going to assume, first of all, there's going to be some sort of flag pattern or some sort of channel pattern that could break to the upside. So this was kind of cool. This was kind of cool that we did that. Something like that at first, okay? I'm not sure if you guys recognize this, but that's pretty much what it ended up doing. Something like that, okay? You know why I know it did something like that? Because if you take a look at the 55 EMA, that's where it's cutting across, right? In this particular region right here. And because it's cutting across it right here in this particular region, that simply means that that's where the breakout happened with the fanning strategy of my 55 EMA. And the 1 hour, I was so right about the 1 hour. I cannot wait to release this on YouTube, like subscription or whatever I'm doing. You guys are going to see me narrate this in a major long 1 hour video. And it's just so freaking on point with what I say and what I do. And you guys are going to be really excited. Look at this, guys. Already at 77774, doing wonderful right now. This is awesome. Let me show you guys if you guys don't believe me. Like yesterday, I was live trading and I was recording it for you guys on the YouTube subscription that I'm going to be releasing very soon. And I'm just doing awesome right now in every way. So let's just go to Link, or sorry, Link. I'm already up a pretty significant amount right now on 200 whatever coins, I think, because I'm just doing this for the channel for you guys, right? So let's go to the trades here. Let's go to margin. Let's go to open orders. Do I have anything? No, nothing open up right now. Okay, let's just go take a look at some of this small stuff right here, okay? Oh yeah, those are finishing off some of the small ones there. Check this out, okay? Pretty cool, right? Yeah, so I'm entering a few shorts here, a few shorts there. Pretty awesome right now, in it for like 200. Yesterday, I ended up making a gigantic profit, like off of 2% there. Well, gigantic in terms of percentage. Okay, anyways, I'll catch you guys soon. Bye now. Gee, let's just keep going down, okay? Let's just keep honestly going down this. And yeah, there's a lot more trades that I don't really want to show because they're too bigger. They're much bigger, and these ones was for the purpose of simply the YouTube subscription, so you guys can take a look at a lot of my live trades during the day, and it's more of a reasonable amount that everybody could relate to, and it's also the strategy behind it. All right, so we've taken a look at Link, we've taken a look at Tesla right now, okay, and we're putting XLM on our radar because it's a pretty decent percentage change. ERD is starting to really slow down in volume right now, okay, and it's not really doing anything that should be on our radar anymore. So we're just gonna take it off of our watch list for the day, okay? So you're gonna be able to expect every single a few times a week as a YouTube subscriber to my channel. You're going to be able to, and I think it's time that I did something like this, something special for the followers that really want a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna be putting up that YouTube subscription, right, guys? It's gonna be definitely under $10 a month, and the people are gonna get these types of morning and afternoon scans to see what kind of trades I'm into. It's not, don't think of it like a signals group or anything like that, but clearly, you're gonna see me take some trades live, like how you just did. Like you just saw me take it live right in front of you right now. Okay, so let's take a look at RVN as well right now. You're definitely going to get some insight on a lot of the trades. Oh, geez. That was insane, RBN. Did you guys take a look at that? Where it just completely spiked up from 19 to 24 there. That's a 25% gain. That's incredibly volatile, but it's a no-no for me because that's clearly a pump and dump kind of scheme looking type coin. Now, Qtum. Okay, Qtum was a really interesting coin when they first came out there on Binance. Okay, now this is an interesting coin, all right? This is definitely going on my radar for the day, for day trading. But keep in mind that what I'm doing is simple, okay? What I'm doing is I'm looking for a lot of different opportunities. I'm looking for like 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of opportunities. And I'm going to weigh out which one is giving me the absolute best chance. And this way, I can take maybe 2 or 3 of these, like, 7, 8, 9, 10 types of trades. And if that happens, then I'm going to be extremely happy. And then it's going to give me a probability of even being more successful when it comes to these trades. Now, this one here ended up moving quite a bit. So it's definitely going to be on my radar. When we take a look at QTIM, that was at 148. That was just, like, when was this? This was just June the 28th, okay? So now it's finally in correction mode. It ended up skyrocketing 70% or 61% almost. So because of that, it's going to be on my radar. And take a look at the RSI. It's starting to slowly die down, even on a 2-hour chart. 4-hour chart is definitely starting to die down. So this guy is heavy on my watch list right now. And I really do like that. So we're going to prioritize these. I'm doing pretty well right now on Link. Okay. QTIM is going to be moved up. I wish I could move these guys, move them. You know what I'm saying? My favorites. That'd be amazing if you can actually move your favorites like up and down, but I don't think you can do that. All right, let's just go to favorites here. Oh, yeah, you can actually. There you go. Wicked. So Link, I didn't know that you can do that. Okay, I know how to do this now. Let's go to QTIM. Closer to the top. Yeah, I can kind of see how to do this now. So, yeah, those are my 3 right now that I'm looking at heavily. XTZ, that's also on my list right here. But of course, I want Link to be higher priority than it. So it's really important to arrange these, like, just do it once a day. It only takes a few seconds to do it. Okay. QTIM is pretty up there too, and I think that's okay just to have those 4. I wish you can just drag and drop it, but you can't do that. All right, so moving down the list, let's take a look at ADA. Okay, ADA is of course it had some major gains there, but it seems like it's still hovering. Oh, wicked. So it's actually reaching right now. Okay, this is great news, guys. Okay, looks like it's gonna break out to the upside. So let's go back to let's go back here. So QTIM is gonna be one that I'm gonna add to my watch list here as well. Okay, let's add QTIM always. So it takes about 10-15 minutes to do this per day, but this is something that you guys should really be doing every single day. You don't want to keep Ethereum or whatever this crap on here anymore. Okay, ZRX, I don't care about it. I'm gonna add XTZ in here. XTZ, okay. XTZ USD. Anything else do I have in here? This up's a little bit slow sometimes. All right, so do I have my watch? So it's really important to coincide what you have on your watch list on TradingView and also what you have on Binance, right? So this way you are not confused. So I got BTC Link. Okay, just making sure I got all of it. BTC, I got Link, I got ADA. What am I missing here, guys? I'm missing XLM. That's okay. I'll keep XLM out of there for now. I don't want to add it. Just because I'm not really sure about it yet, right? We'll take a look at that soon. Okay, so I was gonna go into ADA right here, and let's go check Cardano to see how it is. So it looks like it's hitting this type of resistance right over here. Okay, it's hitting this type of resistance. Right there. Okay. So we can clearly see that this is some sort of resistance. We can clearly see that this is breaking to the upside. It's got a lot of momentum still. And we can clearly see that it's most likely going to break up. So if this breaks to the upside, I think it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful thing. So I'm very excited right now that this one definitely looks like it's going to break to the upside. And that's going to be one of the more bullish ones for the day. Okay, so now I've already looked at 5 different coins. BTC, you know what? It's already staggered. It's just hovering between 91.80 and 92.50. So I'm not really interested in even looking at it. It's doing the same crap until it breaks that support range or resistance. There's no reason for me to even look at it. So ADA, or sorry, so VET's doing something very similar as well. It looks like it's gonna either break to the upside or downside, of course, right? But more so to the downside. Just having a quick glance at it, okay? And the reason why I say that for ADA, or sorry, for what was it again? For VET, is because of this, okay? So let's go to the 4-hour chart here. Okay, it looks like it's gonna form some sort of flag type pattern where this run right there, it would have been nice if this actually didn't hit something like a 786 fib level, which is probably what it's at, I'm guessing. Okay, so take a look at this fib range right here. Right, or 786, 618 level right there, right? If it hits something more reasonable, like a 1-to-1 exactly, that would be more indicative that it was bullish and there was a potential for a breakout. So not really interested in this guy right now too much. It's more still down on the list as it should be. So now we're going to take a look at something a tiny bit lower as well on the list here, see how it's going. And XLM, we're just going to do a quick glance on that as well, just so we can be consistent and have all of these options available. $28 million volume right here, somewhat pretty decent so far. Okay. XLM, not really too interested in it right now. Moved down too much already. I missed the opportunity, and I'm not following it too much right now. It's also retraced heavily already, and it made another dip, so it's ahead of the other coins right now. It's already in the steep possible correction to the downside, so scratching that off of my list. Okay, so we're now done our morning market scan here. Okay, and I hope you guys understand the importance of this. And honestly, I will be charging a YouTube subscription soon, just because it's going to weed out a lot of the haters. I don't want to deal with the negativity and the haters and the animosity and all the negative comments that are horrible. And you'll be paying for something that you can either be happy with it or not. And I'm going to try my best to appease the people that have signed up for it. What you'll most likely get, haven't thought of all of it, is first of all, you're going to get a morning market scan every single day that I trade, because this is what I do every single day before I trade, if I trade that day, which is usually about 4 to 5 days a week, okay? Which is pretty amazing. Secondly, what you're going to get is you're going to get a technical analysis on the fly for every single coin that I'm trading and interested in that day. And there will be a lot of live streamings for the YouTube subscribers on the subscription. And thirdly, the normal people are only going to get 2 Bitcoin technical analysis per day, right? If you're not on the subscription, or not a day, sorry, a week, which is going to be staggered, maybe once every 3-4 days roughly, which is twice a week. If even 1 a week, right? Sorry, if even 2 a week, maybe only 1 a week. But the people, actually, you know what? What we're going to commit to is I'm only going to do it maybe just staggered, like once a week for regular YouTube viewers, okay? And then for my YouTube subscribers, and in terms of where they're on the subscription, I'll do that for you guys at least 3 to 4 times a week. On top of technical analysis for the coins that I'm actually trading live on the fly. On top of getting a market scan every single morning or afternoon before I trade, depending on when I get up, on top of getting an evening market scan to close off the night, on top of getting review videos as well. So you guys can actually see a lot of the live tradings that I do, which is imperative. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick market scan of mine so far. And right now, we are in a very good position, in my opinion, for a link here as well. Okay, we're already at 91 ranges, which is at the 786 Fibonacci range almost. Okay, so I'm going to be really looking at to be interested in, of course, shorting this. And we're going to go from there. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this coin here. We're going to go to Ling again. Let's just go back. See, I entered mine around the $7.86 to 88 cent range, so I'm not even 1% down. This is still really, really pushing to the upside right here, okay? So now, as you can see, we're really gutting it, okay? We're gutting it pretty hard right now, and my stop loss is going to be around like maybe $8.10. I don't mind taking a few percentage losses a day, right? So you can clearly see that the resistance is going to be somewhere like on the 1 hour chart, I'd say. Well, right now, actually, this whole region right now is going to be under major heavy resistance. So I didn't really enter with a big position, if you've noticed, right? It was only like maybe $1,000, 1,600. So I got a lot more left to be playing with. And I'm not really concerned at all. So this particular area is going to be a massive contention right here. Okay. All the way up to $8.13, which is going to be my ladder range. And you see a lot of these wicks poking to the upside, right? Absolutely, you do. So right now, you already see the tension with the bulls and the bears. And there's no point of me even adding more right now because I'm already in it for 200 roughly. Okay. And you guys are really going to be enjoying a lot of the technical analysis that I do for these particular videos. So we already know that the 786, we're at the golden range or the golden pocket right now. Okay. So I'm not really worried about anything at all right now. So my target for here is roughly going to be, well, it's going to be a Fibonacci range of this particular region. You guys can't wait to see, I bet, the video that I recorded, which is about an hour, and it's really, really long. It's super long. It's like 2 hours of a live trading video for a 2% gain, but it's worth it. So my target is going to be roughly $7.53. Anyways, have a great day. Cut off the video early there because I sneezed. So anyways, have yourselves a great day. And I look forward to seeing a lot of you guys sign up for the YouTube subscription per month. It's going to be something very reasonably priced where you guys are not even going to feel a dent in your pocket. But more importantly, you're going to feel like you're getting a lot more out of it. Okay? So have yourselves a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Bye now.